out in El Sobrante today. Let's head on in and take a look and see what this house has to offer. So you'll notice as soon as we enter, you'll notice we come in, there is the formal living room here. Shows really, really nicely. And then you have the dining room set up with very big open windows, very spacious. I love the color of the stone as I step into the kitchen here. Absolutely just love the amount of counter space. And not only do you have 2 deep sinks right here, an additional sink in the middle. How cool is that? This, the utilization. Everything is flush built into the wall. Look at that, it looks clean and crisp. And then plenty of storage with cabinets all around, so many drawers. I just absolutely think this kitchen is so functional. Love the glass touch as well. And as you look around, you have a nice little kind of office nook here. Nice bench setup, and then downstairs bath right here, half bath. Downstairs, very functional. Storage space right here. And then as we head on into this area, you have another kind of dining area set up with a fireplace. Basically, essentially, this is the family room. So you have your TV, you're all set up there. And then the best part is, of course, you have another washer dryer down here. Quick peek down here to the garage. And 3-car garage, very, very spacious. More cabinets, more storage. And then as we continue, we'll take a look upstairs and see what the upstairs of the house entails. Take a quick look. So as we go upstairs, heading upstairs, we have 1 bedroom here. A lot of storage and closet space. Nice. And then 2nd bedroom. Look at that view from the 2nd bedroom. That's a nice painting. I'm a big horse fan. So as we head over, that's 2 bedrooms. And then head over here. Bedroom number 3. And again, another beautiful view from the window. A lot of space. That was bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 4. I just love the lush greenery right out the window. You know that's some good quality air you're breathing. And then as we head over, you have his and her sinks. And shared. This is the bathroom that's for the 4 bedrooms, the bathroom that they would share. And then off over to the side is the master. And I could already tell this is huge. You gotta step down here, there's a step. So you step down into the master, very large windows, open space. And just look at the way it's set up. You have seating right here, nice decor, wraps all the way around. And then you have another step, so you got to step up to kind of go into your bathroom here. You have the tub and the shower, so that's a nice setup. Very nice touch. His and her sinks, classy. And oh my God, look at this closet. I mean, you got to be envious of this walk-in closet. Just look at the size of this thing. I think I could do a lap in here. So look at the size of that closet. Ladies and gentlemen, that is plenty of space for your clothes, shoes, and anything and everything else one could want or have. Interesting. Not the most ideal place for a ceiling fan, but hey, I've seen worse. Recessed lighting in the bedroom, nice touch. Interesting artwork as well. Let's head to the backyard and take a quick peek and see what the backyard has. So So, very, very spacious backyard. Just wraps all around. You see the owl just chilling right there. Very scenic. Look at that shot of the moon. And as we step closer to take a peek at what we have here, very nice hammock. And not only that, look at that, ladies and gentlemen, a beautiful hot tub to sit inside of. You just step in and relax in this calming, soothing spa. All set. You have an outdoor wet bar right there. A deck. This is perfect for entertaining. You have even more seating back here in the corner. Bar wired for water, plumbing, and wired for electricity. Plenty of seating all around. Ladies and gentlemen, you are ready to host and throw a party, have a lovely picnic, and just enjoy the great outdoors and enjoy your summers. Look at this beautiful landscape out here. All the greenery, you could tell the air is fresh. Just breathing that fresh air in with all these trees and the beautiful glow of the sunset. Amazing. This is a beautiful home. Very, very beautiful. So thank you for tuning in and checking out my video. If you guys haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button down below and smash that like button. And feel free to leave me any comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to keep bringing you guys lovely properties like this and more homes. I'd love to help you refinance your loan, your current mortgage, or help you buy your next property. My office is a one-stop shop. We do everything in-house, real estate broker as well as mortgage loan broker. Please feel free to call or text 510-367-4492, 510-367-4492. I look forward to working with you.